How to remove group admin from WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a group admin from a WhatsApp group. Whether you're a group admin or just need to manage your group's roles, I'll walk you through the steps. Let's get into it. First, open the WhatsApp app and go to the group chat where you want to remove an admin. You need to be an admin yourself to remove someone else's admin privileges. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Now, in the group info section, scroll down to the list of participants. Under the participants list, you'll see which members have the admin role. Now, find the person you want to remove as admin, tap on the name, and you'll see the option to dismiss as admin over here. But what you need to know is you need to be admin first, then only you'll have that option. And simply tap on it. Once you've tapped dismiss as admin, they'll be reverted to a regular group member and you can always promote them back to admin later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a group admin from your WhatsApp group.